Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Manjaro OS 26 version on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Manjaro OS official website and download. It is manjaro.org. Click on download. See here we have the different editions: KDE Plasma, XFCE, Genome and Community Images, Cinnamon, i3, Windows Manager, SWA, WM. Okay, but the installation process is same for all images. In this video I am going to download and install this KDE Plasma. Click on download, click on more. See here we have different options. Torrent, okay, default is the image. See, download started, go to downloads. See here its size is about 5.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Manjaro KDE 26 version. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads or where you kept that downloaded ISO image. Select it. Click on open. Click on next. Now select the Linux. Then version. Select Manjaro Linux 64. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the Manjaro OS virtual machine. I am giving Manjaro. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on customize hardware. See here memory selected only 384 megabytes. I want to give 4 gigabytes. Or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Okay. Then processors I am giving 2. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Then use up and down arrows and select the boot with open source drivers and hit enter. See here installation. If you want to launch the installer, you have to click on here or close it. And see here on the desktop we have the install Manjaro Linux. Right click and select open cat or just double click on it or select it and hit enter. Now select the language from this list. Then click on next. I am going to American English. Then select the region and zone, or you can select on the globe. I am going with the default, so click on next. Select the keyboard model, then language and these options. I am okay with the default, so click on next. See, this is a fresh installation, so I am selecting erase disk. In erase disk also we have different options. You can select whatever you want. I am going with all defaults and no swap. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as _, and this is the username. Then this is the computer number, host name. Later also you can change it. I am giving computer name as. Then set the password for this user. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. Then if you want to use this password for the administrator, you can select this checkbox. If you don't want, you have to provide the password for administrator. I want to use the same password. It is up to you. Then click on next. Now office suite. See here we have no office suite, means nothing. LibreOffice or FreeOffice, whatever you want you can select. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. I am okay with all the settings. Then click on next. Then click on install. This is just confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. And then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Select this checkbox, that is restart now. Now click on done to restart. See, now it is restarting. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. I don't want to launch the save tab, so I am going to turn off by clicking on this one. Okay, close this one. Also notice here on desktop before we were having install Manjaro Linux. Now it is gone. Okay, now open terminal. See, here we have the terminal. Click on it to open. Increase the font size by pressing Ctrl++ more /etc os-release. See, here we have installed Manjaro OS, but it is not showing the version number here. The first step after connecting to Manjaro Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo pacman -sy, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user. See, all packages are up to date. Okay, go to applications, office. See, here we have installed LibreOffice, and see, here we go to, see, we have different applications. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Manjaro OS 26 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.